Hello everyone, and today is lesson 9, the men's shoes upper design and printing out for inspection. And also, I'm printing out all of the part of component and assembling together. I'm wearing tests and everything is fine, very good, and fit of my size 42. Okay, so and if you happy my 3D models, you can visit to my website. I can share for you for free. And also, if you're interested of the 3D footwear design tutorial, you can email to me too. Okay, now let's start to enjoy my video. Okay?